Meanwhile, in Indonesia, there's about 4 million, and in Malaysia, there's about 51,000 people with visual impairment. And with visual impairment, they face difficulty when they do some daily activities in public places, isn't it? Of course, the government tries to help them by providing some facilities, for example, like guiding blocks. But if they still think guiding blocks is enough, what if they want to cross the road? Of course, it's very difficult for them. So, especially there's no facilities yet for them to help them cross the road, and they have to rely on someone so they can cross the road more safely. And actually, people with disabilities have right on accessibility, safety, independence on public places. And this is also protected in Indonesia Law Number 8 of 2016 on people with disabilities, and this is also supported globally by United Nations Convention on the Right of these people with disabilities, which promote equal rights, dignity, and accessibility to all people with disabilities. But don't worry, because we, the Team Smartphone, have innovations to help these people with environment in the world. I'm Seperti Shakira.
And I'm Dr. Dani. We have a solution to our research called SMART, which stands for System Mobility Assisted Road. So what is SMART and how does it work? SMART are simple tools designed to help blind people cross the road safely, especially at zebra crossing. This innovation supports both national law and international commitment to create a world that is more inclusive and accessible for everyone.
When I was on here, every user can touch this red letter, so they will know what is happening on the traffic light, so they will know we have to walk and we have to stop. And these red letters can connect into the traffic light, so these red letters can following the color from the traffic light. And also, our prototype innovation was made from recycled pipes. That is the proof that even though we use always material, can be transferred into very useful innovations and have a socially impactful for everyone else.
Traffic light includes several components. First, a lamp to simulate the traffic light. Three braille letters, change for yellow, which stand kuning in bahasa, H for green, which stand hijau in bahasa, and M for red, and stand merah in bahasa. And Arduino to control the timing, Ultimate to manage the power, Circle to move the braille letters, and power supply to store electricity. Sustainability area, we have to make private roads not only smarter but also inclusive and fair, fulfilling both national and international rights for people with disabilities.
And actually, judges, we already try our innovations with our community, with visual environments. We have collaboration with them and we try these innovations on them. And we also get help by the Department of Transportation to try our innovations. So this is already approved by the Jet of Provinsi Selatan and member of Parliament Commission that. So it means that we already support the government and also the government too. Okay. And so that's all. Thank you.
As conclusion?
Okay. We, with all the research and making this innovation, the one goal is to help people with visual impairment to cross the world more safely and independently. And our technology, our smart uses of technology, is about care, justice, and equality for all people. So, no matter what they are, no matter what their ability, they can move freely and safely. So that's our thing.
The product is already done already.
This is the prototype.
It's a prototype. Have you done the test?
Yeah, we already done the test. We visual environment innovation.
So what is the feedback from them?
Actually, they were very happy because they have facilities for them to get so they can get help and so they can cross the road safely. So they feel care because we make this innovation for them to help them.
What is the difference between this product and the product?
The difference is we the first person making these products.
The first one.
Yeah.
How about okay, for example, Japan. I lived in Japan for 7 years. I lived in Indonesia for 3 years.
Yes.
Unfortunately, when I went to cross the road, we don't see anything from the traffic light. Right? In Japan, it's common for blind people, they can hear from the sound. So, what is the impact when you use the sound? Yeah.
Okay, when we use the sound, it will disrupt other people. Especially there's the noise, and if we add more sounds, it will disturb all. So what if we just use really so it's easy for them. It just touches them. So you will know the status on the traffic light.
Very creative to answer the questions. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay,
Masya Allah. Amin.
Bagus. Siapa yang kerja public speaking?
Iya.
Oh, gurunya bagus.
Iya.
Tadi kalau Bapak lihat, kalau kita ini anak-anak boleh belajar juga. Actually dalam mana-mana presentasi ada conclusion, ya. Jadi tadi kan itu lupa. Jadi kita sebagai judges, what's the conclusion? So dia bisa inform.
Yeah.
This is very good.
Where?
Actually, the competition after the closing statement.
Oh, kita ada closing lagi. Ya,
Yes.
silakan. Oh, kalau dalam presentasi kita harus sampai conclude baru kita dalam itu bicaranya. Dalam presentasi internasional harus conclude dulu baru kita tanya. Iya.
And we just know that.
Oke, itu kayak nanti. Masih SMA. Still SMA. It's very great. Okay, let me give you one first. Okay.
Panggilan kepada novel Prati Putri dan juga Ayu Nidas